Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Hyundai Santa Fe SE. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.3-liter engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Hyundai has less than 167,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.